So in this video, I'm going to solve one of the problems in structural theory, which is the 4-1. So determine the internal normal force, shear force, and bending moment in the beam at point C and D. Assume the support at A is a pin and B is a roller. So let's get started. So ang una natin gagawin is mag-draw tayo ng free body diagram ng given problem. So sabi dun sa problem is yung point A daw is pin support, which is alam naman natin na ang pin support ay may dalawang reaction, which is yung horizontal and vertical. So kaya siya AX and AY. And next naman is yung sa B, which is roller. So alam naman natin na ang kaya lang i-resist ng roller is yung vertical forces lang, which is yun BY lang. So magmo-moment tayo sa A para makuha natin yung BY, missing na BY doon. So summation at moment at A is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So first is yung BY. BY na para counterclockwise, so negative siya. So negative BY times yung moment arm niya na 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, so 6 lahat. And yung 20 kN doon na pa-clockwise. So hindi na niya kailangan ng moment arm kasi naka kilonewton meters na siya doon. So 20 na lang clockwise. So plus 20, and yung last is yung 6 kN na pa-clockwise, and may moment arm siya na 2, 1, 1. So plus 6 times 2 is equals to 0. Transpose lang natin yung BY doon, negative BY sa kabila para maging positive siya. So BY times 6 is equals to 20 plus 6 times 2. Calculate lang natin yan. So 20 plus 6 times 2 is equals to 32. BY times 6 is equals to 32. So i-divide lang natin both side ng 6 para mawala yung 6 dito. Cancel out. So 32 divided by 6 is equals to 5.333. So ang BY natin is equals to 5.333 kN. Next na kukunin natin is yung AY. Nakuha na natin yung BY. So AY naman. Pwede na natin gamitin dito yung summation of forces vertical kasi yun lang naman, isa lang naman magbi-missing doon, yung AY lang. So summation forces vertical is equals to 0. Upward is positive. First is yung AY. Upward siya, so positive. AY. Next is yung BY natin, which is ito, may value na, which is 5.333. AY plus pataas siya, so plus 5.333. Next is yung 6 kN na pa-downward, so negative siya, minus 6 is equals to 0. So ilipat lang natin itong 5 and 6 sa kabila. So ito magiging, yung positive 5 natin, 5.333 is magiging negative. Then yung negative 6 natin is magiging magiging positive. So yun, AY is equals to negative 5.333 plus 6. So negative 5.333 plus 6 is equals to 0.667. So ang AY natin is equals to 0.667 kN. And lastly is yung AX natin. So makikita nyo naman na wala naman siyang i-resist dito, kaya wala namang ibang horizontal force dito maliban sa kanya. So automatic 0 na ito siya. So AX is equals to 0. So ang next natin na gagawin is magkakat tayo ng section. Kasi ang hinahanap naman dun sa problem is yung mga internal force, internal normal force, shear force, and yung bending moment sa point C and D. So mag-cut tayo. Unahin natin yung sa C. Cut natin siya dito, A to C. So at segment AC. Draw lang natin siya. And mag-assume lang tayo ng mga direction ng mga forces. So, ang shear force natin, assume natin na downward siya, VC. And yung normal force na NC to the right. And yung moment niya na pa-counterclockwise, MC. So, kung mag-positive itong sagot dito, mamaya, is ibig sabihin tama yung mga assume natin na direction. And wag natin kalimutan yung reaction dito, which is yung AY dito. Which is ang value niya is 0.667. Or 0.667 kilonewton. So, pwede natin makuha yung mga internal forces nito. So, unahin natin yung internal normal force, which is yung NC. Gamit tayo dito ng summation forces horizontal. So, for internal normal force, so, summation forces horizontal is equals to 0. To the right is positive. Ano ba ang mga nag-a-act dito sa horizontal? Di ba yung NC lang? Nag-iisa lang siya. So, therefore, yung NC natin, NC is equals to 0. Ano namang ibang force na nag-act dito na horizontal eh? Siya lang, yung NC lang. Next is for shear force. So, mga nag-act dito sa shear force is yung, ito yung pa-downward and yung reaction natin dito na 0.667. So, gagamit tayo ng summation forces vertical. So, summation forces vertical is equals to 0. Upward is positive. So, positive na 0.667 minus yung VC natin. VC equals to 0. So, transpose lang natin itong VC dito para maging positive. Therefore, VC is equals to 0.667 kilonewton. So, ito na yung normal, ito na yung magiging shear force niya. Itong 0.667. And ito naman yung internal normal force, 0. And lastly, dito sa segment na kukunin natin is yung bending moment niya, which is yung MC. So, magmo-moment tayo dito sa C. Okay, nakalimutan pala natin yung distance nito dito, which is 1 meter. So, ayan. So, mag-moment tayo dito sa C para makuha natin itong bending moment dito na MC. So, summation moment at C is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So, ano ba nag-ikot dito sa gikat natin dito? Diba yung MC pati yung 1? So, first is yung MC. Negative siya kasi pa counterclockwise. So, negative MC, wala na siyang momentum kasi naka kilonewton meter form na lang siya. So, wala na siyang magiging momentum. So, MC. Then next is yung 0.667 which is clockwise. So, positive plus 0.667 multiply yung sa momentum niya which is 1 times 1 which is equals to 0. So, transpose lang natin itong MC sa kabila para maging positive siya. So, MC is equals to 0.667 times 1 which is equals to 0.667 also. So, ito na yung magiging sagot. Ito na yung magiging internal bending moment niya. So, yan. So, next naman is yung sa segment D to B. Kasi yung dito, yung kailangan natin, di ba, yung dito, yung D, sa point dito. So, dito naman tayo sa right side, yung B and D. So, i-drawing lang natin yan. So, kagaya lang din sa ginawa natin dito sa segment AC, mag-assume lang rin tayo ng mga direction ito. So, kung mag-positive man yung sagot, so therefore, yung mga assume natin is tama. Which is dito, tingnan natin yung sagot natin sa normal force is 0. So, tama rin yan. And yung sa shear force naman, which is positive din, and yung sa bending moment. So, tama lahat ng assume natin dito. So, next is yung sa segment DB or BD. So, first is i-assume natin na yung moment niya is pa-clockwise. MD. And yung shear force niya, which is i-assume natin na pa-upward siya. So, VED. And yung internal normal force niya, assume natin na to the left siya, to the left. So, ND. And huwag natin kalimutan din yung reaction dito, yung sa B, which is yung dy natin dito. Which is ang value niya is yung 5.333 kN. Upward siya, so 5.333 kN. And also yung distance nito nung B to D, which is 2 meters. So yan, pwede natin makuha yung mga internal forces nila. So for normal force, same pa rin ang gagawin natin, same sa ginawa natin dito sa segment AC. So magsa-summation forces horizontal tayo para makuha natin yung internal normal force. Summation force is horizontal is equals to 0, to the right is positive. Therefore, naiiwan dito is yung NC lang rin naman ang nasa horizontal force natin dito, so matic 0 na rin yan. So ND pala, ND is equals to 0. So ang internal normal force natin dito is 0 lang. Actually, assume na natin na 0 naman yan. Lahat naman, wala naman kasi talagang force dito na walang nag-a-act na pa-horizontal dito eh. Kita naman dun pa lang sa problem. Walang force na pa-horizontal. So assume na natin talaga yan na yung internal normal force dito is lahat 0. So next is yung sa shear force niya. For shear force, so summation forces vertical is equals to 0, upward is positive. So first is yung positive paakyat na 5.333 plus yung VD natin, which is paakyat rin. So plus VD. I-transpose lang natin to. So VD is equals to negative 5.333. So ibig sabihin yung in-assume natin dito na yung in-assume natin dito na direction is mali. So dapat pala ito siya pa-downward siya. Downward dapat ito siya. Para ito mag-negative ito siya. So mag-negative dito siya. So pag i-transpose natin yan siya, ito magiging positive, ito maiwan din positive. So dapat ganito siya. Mababa dapat yung normal shear force niya, yung internal shear force niya. So dapat pababa pala. So ito na, so VD is equals to 5.333. And lastly is yung bending moment niya, which is mag-moment tayo dito sa D. So summation at moment at D is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So since pa clockwise, so MD next is yung 5.333, which is counterclockwise, minus 5.333 multiply siya sa 2, 5 by 2. And also may nakalimutan pala tayong ilagay dito, which is yung may naiwan pala dito. Ito yung 20 kN meter. Nakalimutan natin ilagay dito. So meron pa palang another moment dito, 20 kN per meter, 20 kN meter pala yan. So yun, since clockwise siya, so plus lang yan. So plus 20 is equals to 0. So i-transpose lang natin itong mga value dito, lipatan natin sa kabila. So itong 5 is magiging positive and yung 20 is magiging negative. So MD is equals to 5.333 times 2 minus 20. Yan, so i-calculate lang natin yan. 5.333 times 2 minus 20 is equals to negative 9.334. So malino naman yung in-assume natin na 9.334 kilonewton. So mali na naman pala yung in-assume natin na direction nito. So dapat pala yung direction ng moment dito, yung bending moment is dapat pa counterclockwise siya. So yun. So yun, that's all for this video. So thank you sa panonood.